Tools you will need: flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, and duct tape. You need to duct tape the unit, so it won't fall apart. Now you have to remove 6 bolts. There is 6 clips on the black bezel. You need to pry it out. You have to start from the top, because at the bottom it will be a tiny wire. You don't want to rip it off. Once the bezel is off, gently lay it on the table. Don't try to pull the bezel from unit, you will break the wire. Disconnect both ribbon cables. Time to connect new replacement screen. You have to make sure the ribbon cables are all the way in, as shown in the picture. Once again, make sure tabs are all the way in. Same thing with the other ribbon cable. Make sure you push the tabs back in on all sides, so it will clip back to the unit. It's time to put the bolts back in the place and you're almost done. Peel the duct tape and now you're done. If you need screen replacement, we have them in stock in our store. Check the link in description.